Say goodbye to writer's block and hello to AI writing with AI. Our advanced language models help you create content, translate text, summarize information, and more. Whether you're a marketer, freelancer, or agency, the AI Writer is the perfect tool to help you generate creative and engaging content with ease. From blog ideas to product descriptions, video ideas to SEO meta descriptions, the AI Writer has got you covered. With over 90 content types to explore and 12+ use cases, there's no limit to what you can create. With the AI Writer, writing has never been faster and easier. Choose your use case, fill in your specifications, and watch as the AI generates your content in minutes. Use the AI Writer editor to polish your content and make it even more unique and engaging. Whether you need to generate 1,000 words or 5,000, the AI Writer offers affordable pricing plans to fit your needs. Get started today with our free 7-day trial, no credit card required. Level up your writing game and never struggle with the blank page again. Check this out. It looks interesting what with ChatGPT now starting to charge a monthly fee, it's always good to check out different and other alternatives.